Hey, good morning, everybody. Crypto Mentor 99. How you doing? How you doing? How you doing? It is Friday, January 31st, 2025. Coming to you from mobile headquarters. Just got done with my daily walk. 30 minutes on the dot. I was at like 3/4 speed. My heel feels fine, actually. Mrs. Crypto Mentor said this morning, how's your foot feeling? I'm like, I've walked, I think, every day this week. And, my plantar fasciitis has appeared, to have calmed down. Again, today was like, it was cold. I didn't have my gloves. My gloves on, I went like 3/4 speed. But anyhow, still have a little bit of a cough. I've had it since like Thanksgiving. Anyhow, what I want everybody to know out there, take it from a guy in his mid-60s. Life is short. I can remember my mom saying before she passed away, when I would visit her in Chicago, she would say, Crypto Mentor 99. And at the time, she was 76. She passed away at 83. She would say, Crypto Mentor 99, how did I get to be 76? And I made a joke. I'm like, well, first you were 70, then you were 71, then you were 72. You get the point? So every year, I just had a birthday. Every year rolls into the next. And now I'm closer to 70. Ouch. Than I am 60. So the word of the day is, life is short. If there's a relationship you need to mend, be the hero of that story and go do it. If there's someone that you need to apologize to, go be the hero in that story and be the better person. If there's a vacation you've been wanting to take, I'm not saying take it today or tomorrow. If you're in your 30s, you're going to be 50 years old in a month, if you catch my drift. So that's what I'm saying. Life is short. I don't want to say, well, treat every day as your last day. That's a little esoteric. That's a little corny. But I wake up every morning. I'm like, okay, my eyes open. I've got breath in my lungs. Good sign to start the day. But anyhow, Crypto Mentor 99, thanks for being part of my crypto family. Take a look at the Dabba network below. For $199, you could buy a hotspot / router that they install in India. There's like 600 million people that need Wi-Fi in India. And if you use my referral link, I'd appreciate it. All the money that I get supports the 130 families down in Guatemala, of which I'm going down near the end of this month or beginning of March. But that's it. Crypto Mentor 99. Thanks for being a part of my crypto family. And love y'all. Bye-bye.